Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker, and today I am back with another video. Yes, I'm gonna keep my glasses on just for a little bit because it's cute and it's pink and it just gives me a look. Okay. Alright, so today I will be reviewing some hair from Eullair hair. I love this bag. Oh my god, it's pink, it's black, it's me. I'm really excited about this hair because as you guys can see, it's just talk to me nice, honey, yes. Okay, so today's video I will be reviewing this hair, but it's also a hair tutorial. I will be showing you guys something you can do with a closure because I have reviewed a lot of frontals on my channel, but I haven't reviewed many closures here yet. So I wanted to do a closure type of look for you guys, but I didn't just want to come on here with a basic middle part and just tell you, oh my god, I love the hair, because that's boring and that's not the Tastemaker. Like, the Tastemaker is all about leveling up. Today I will be showing you guys how to get this really cute braided bun look with a closure. So I will come in closer for you guys. So I did a braid here, and then I put this cute little diamond thing on there, and then I braided these two braids, and then I did a bun. But the bun is sewn on, and I will show you guys exactly how I did this whole look. I am wearing two 28s, two 26, and a 20-inch closure. So 20-inch closure, 26, 26, 28, 28. So I really only have part of a 26 and a half in, and then the other 26 I used it for the bun. And then I still have some hair left over. So this is the hair that I do still have left over, you guys. This is the natural state of the hair. This is still the natural state of the hair. I have not put any products in this hair yet. All I did was pretty much wet it and forget it. You know what I'm saying? But this is how the hair looks right out of the pack. This hair is freaking bomb, okay? It's bomb, and it's 100% human hair. This is the bag that it comes in. I'm really happy about the bag because once I'm ready to store my wig, I can go ahead and put it in this bag and store it away very easily. So I'm glad that they're sending out these bags with their hair. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this hair tutorial because I'm sure you guys want to know, how did I get this cute little Chun-Li bun?
it said me if we walk, you see me do me da. So me put it walk. When you got it work, it said me if we walk, you see me do me da.
So once again, this is another close look at the closure. So you guys, I did want to do something like this because I feel as though not everyone wants to wear a frontal and not everybody can afford to wear frontals all the time. So a lot of girls opt for a closure because closures are typically less expensive than frontals. So I did want to show you guys what you guys can do with the closure, because I feel like some people buy closures and they feel like all I can do is part it and like tilt my wig every now and again when I want to have a side part. You know what I mean? So I wanted to show you guys something you guys can do with a closure. So for those of you guys who are intermediate with braiding, I'm not like the best braider in the world. Like, I don't braid on a daily basis. Like, I've probably braided hair like 3 times in my entire life, and I was able to do this. So if I'm able to do it, you guys can do it too. So you guys see the parting, and then what I did was at the ends, I went ahead and went to my local beauty supply store, and then I got these little diamond jewels. So this is what it'll look like. I don't think you guys can see it. Maybe back here. Okay, it's not gonna happen. Okay, so these are called the Rasta Afri diamond hair jewels. So if you guys go to your local beauty supply store, I'm pretty sure you guys will find these. They're very popular. A lot of people use them for their hair. I'll show you guys one. I had one over here. So they fell out of the plastic, but this is what they look like. They're just like these little circular things, and you open them up like this. You see, it's almost like a little ring. So you open it up like that, and then you just like clip it on your hair. So I'll put another one just so you guys can see. So you'll go like this, and then just like kind of squish it in like that, and then you'll have like your little diamond thing. But I'm gonna take this one out because I don't want 2 of them. I just want one. So there you have it. So yeah, this just clamps over your braids. So I thought that would be like another little cute addition to it. And these are the ones with like the little rhinestones on it. You guys probably can't see that. But there's like little rhinestones all around here. They do have like the plain gold ones as well. And then I did my baby hairs as normal. I did use my edge control. For those of you guys who want to know how I do my baby hair on my units, I do have a tutorial on how to do baby hairs on a lace frontal, but you can use the same tips that I use on my lace frontal for this, for a synthetic wig, for any of the units that I review. So let's go ahead and get into this hair, you guys. So like I said, I don't have any product on this hair. This is the hair in its natural state. The most that I've done to this hair is put water on it, and that was like 3 hours ago. So that was 3 hours ago, and this is how the hair is looking. It's very tamed. It's not frizzy. So for those of you guys who like curly hair but you don't like big frizzy curly hair, I think this is absolutely gorgeous because the curl pattern or the wave pattern stays in the hair even after you run your fingers through it, even after you wet the hair. Like, it's just absolutely gorgeous. The ends, they do get tangled, but I mean, it's kind of expected because it's curly hair. But these are what the ends look like. One thing that I did want to do with the ends, I think the ends are probably like the only con that I have. One thing that I would like to do with the ends is put like some Miss Jessie's on the ends, just to like help with the curl pattern, because I feel like the curl pattern at the bottom is just like kind of like we clocked out, and then everyone else is like, hey, we're here to party, but then at the ends it's like, girl, we're ready to go home, we've had a long night. I would say if you are going to wear this hair, definitely put something on the ends, but you don't have to put anything else on the rest of the hair. Like, the rest of the hair is perfectly fine. The hair does not have any smell to it at all. A lot of times when I get hair from companies, like, as soon as I open up the package, like, it smells like fish or like something weird. I don't know, like, it always has like a weird smell, but this hair has no smell at all. Love the hair. I think this is perfect vacation hair as well. So any of you guys who are going on vacation, I think this is absolutely gorgeous. The hair claims to be virgin hair, and to be honest, you guys, this is the best curly hair that I've ever had in my entire life. I'm not exaggerating. The best quality curly hair that I've ever had. And not only that, It's so freaking affordable, especially to do like something like this. Is going to save you a lot of money. So for those of you guys wondering, something that a lot of YouTubers I don't think mention is how much something like this would cost you. So I am going to let you guys know how much this unit will cost you if you were interested in picking up some bundles from them. But I'm going to give you guys the specs as if it was just 3 bundles and a closure, because that is like the deals that they have on their website. You guys are not going to believe how much this costs. Go ahead and name a price. Name a price. I'm waiting. Nope. Lower. So you guys, for a 20-inch closure and 3 bundles of 28 inches, it's gonna cost you $199. That is so freaking affordable. This is 28 inches, okay, for $199. And not only that, did I forget to mention that they offer free shipping? The shipping time ranges between 2 to 5 business days. I did receive my hair in 5 business days. The shipping came via FedEx, so that's always great. Now, if you guys wanted to go a little bit lower, you can get 3 bundles of 26 inches and a closure for $178. Excuse Bo, because Bo is excited. You see my dog is excited about this hair. So yeah, you guys can get 3 bundles of 26 inches and a closure for $178, and the shipping is free. What are you waiting for? Like, seriously, like, go ahead and click on the link down below, because you guys, I know you guys want this hair. I mean, hello. Do I even need to say anything? Now, one tip that I did want to give you guys, something that I started doing when it comes to like bleaching my closures and my frontals. So what I did this time to make my hair look very natural underneath, like it looks like more so like my skin tone, I did not tint it or anything like that. The only thing that I did was just use a 20 volume developer rather than using like 30 or 40. So I used 20 volume developer, and of course I used my bleach. I made sure that the bleach was nice and thick before I put it on. I put the bleach on for just a little while, and then one thing that I tend to do once I am done like washing off like the bleach and then putting on the neutralizing shampoo, after I put on the neutralizing shampoo, I put a whole bunch of shimmer lights, and then I just let my closure or my frontal sit there for like a good 30 minutes, and when you rinse it out, it gives you like this perfect look. So for me, because it was 20 volume, it didn't lift it too high, so I didn't have to worry about like correcting like my roots or anything like that. So the hair does shed, but it is curly hair, so it's expected to shed, but it sheds very minimal. Like when I say minimal, like I barely have any shedding, and the only time I got shedding was like at the bottoms and when I was like running my fingers through it like with water or whatever. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.